How we doing, guys? We just arrived in Boltons Landing, doing a really awesome wedding today for Nicole and Thomas. Something small to start the year off, which is always enjoyable, 26 guests. We are doing a full assortment of raw bars and past hors d'oeuvres, along with spring ingredients, kind of really entering in. We got tons of spring garlic, ramp on the menu today, trumpet mushrooms, a little bit of morels. So we are excited to kind of get this year going and start off with a bang for sure. First course is burrata with artichokes. The only thing that we need to do for that is pick mint and char the artichokes. Everything else is finished. Escarole and radicchio Caesar. It's literally 3 heads of radicchio and 2 heads of escarole. We have asparagus and the leeks. The leeks we're just reheating at this point. So that'll be really easy to do. All the sauces are done for that. The asparagus we just have to grill. I'm gonna put asparagus on for you since you only have the lettuce to take care of. And I'll go with you on that. Leeks, I'll work with you on, and then collectively we'll bang out the turkey. Won't be nothing like my ex-girl.
Wilson.
It's confused. It's confused. I feel like I need
To pop my back, but it's not cooperating.
Want me to give you a bear hug?
No. Strawberry water. All right, I'm gonna go step inside and give Drew a hand just to get caught up with cocktails and everything. I'm gonna do a menu meeting with them. I'm all set. I have all the ingredients ready for that. Welcome to Wood-Fired Food, where not only your food is cooked over fire, but so is our backs. We said we're going to bring you a show. You get to live. All right, guys, really quickly. How are we doing? You guys look wonderful, by the way. Great space. I just wanted to introduce myself, and I'm gonna kind of guide you through every course as we're eating. First course, we are starting off with 2 different dishes. On the far side, we have a raw cow's milk burrata that is lightly seasoned with black pepper and Malden salt, with a salad of charred artichokes, preserved peppers, a little bit of brown butter over the top of that, and some chili honey, and then it's just finished with mint. As we get into the leafier side of the plate, we have a charred escarole and radicchio salad, a classic version or unfun play on sort of what Caesar is, with a little bit of fried garlic crumbs, cured egg yolks, cured in the style of what the ingredients of Caesar are, and then finished with some raw sheep's milk pecorino over the top there. So I hope you guys enjoy yourselves, try a little bit of everything. There might be a lot of ingredients you haven't heard of before, but don't hesitate to try anything. And if you have any other questions, just follow the smoke outside, we'll be there. All right, enjoy, guys. On the fish side of things, we have a saltwater sea trout that is cooked exclusively on the skin side only. We season that in itself. It sounds kind of crazy, but we make a salt based off of all the skin and everything else that we work with. That's served with a little bit of achiote, which essentially is a natto seed, and a spring escabeche. Essentially, it's a bunch of spring onions that we just cook in the coals, peel back all the char from, and drown in a lot of vinegar, a lot of citrus, a lot of olive oil. So it's very, very acidic. It's very sweet, it's very light, but it goes really well with that super salty fish. We have a slow roasted dairy cow strip loin that is with a ramp chimichurri and some pickled potatoes. And then we have leeks with romesco and ajo blanco. And we have grilled asparagus with a little bit of brown butter and some cured eggs on top. Enjoy. I just want to say thank you for joining us on this little bit of adventure today. You saw the first event of our season. You saw some rain. You saw some sunshine. You saw happy people. You saw amazing food we're putting up. You saw a super dedicated staff making sure that they put the clients before us. I look forward to cooking for all of you again around the fire very soon. Have a wonderful day.